Sindh and Balochistan.
Stop enforced disappearance in
Sindh and Balochistan.
Stop enforced disappearance in
Also, Fata,
कनाडा जे शहर टोरंटो में जबरी गुमशुदनि ख़िलाफ़ बलोच कम्यूनिटी पारां एहतजाजी मुज़ाहरो कयो वियो, जंहिंमें वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस कनाडा चैप्टर जी वफ़द शिरकत कई। उन मौक़े ते अॻुवाणनि सिंध ऐं बलोचिस्तान मां खंबे गुम कयल माण्हुनि जा प्ले कार्ड खणी भरपूर एहतजाज कयो। एहतजाज में वर्ल्ड सिंधी कांग्रेस कनाडा चैप्टर जे ऑर्गेनाइज़र हाजन कलोड़ो रूही कलोड़ो ॻाल्हाईंदे चयो त पंहिंजे वतन सां मुहबत कंदड़ ऐं पंहिंजे हक़नि जी घुर्ज कंदड़नि खे हज़ारनि जी तइदाद में सिंध ऐं बलोचिस्तान मां खंबे गुम कयो वियो आहे, जेको हिकु गैर आइनी अमल आहे।
Kaloro, I represent World Sindhi Congress. Dear friends, we are grateful to our Baloch friends who have invited us to stand by you in these times of utter pain for our people that has been going for decades. Thousands of Baloch and Sindhis have been abducted and thousands have been tortured and extrajudicially and brutally murdered. Hundreds of Balochs have been thrown in collective graves, and everyone in Pakistan and the world knows who is doing it. But the cruelty goes on, doesn't seem to stop. Nightmare, suffering and pain goes on for hundreds of thousands of families, relatives, friends, communities and entire society. So, have we committed any crime to face this savagery? We definitely have not. The crime of these finest sons and daughters of Baloch and Sindhi nation is that they demand their historical, political, economical, cultural and human rights. Our only crime is that nature has given us enormous resources. In Sindh, they have taken a frighteningly aggressive path of complete occupation of our lands, resources, jobs and demographic changes. Can you believe that the Pakistan federal government has announced that in Sindh, that produces 72% of natural gas, all the CNG stations will be closed for next 3 months, the entire winter, when it is needed the most. Since last many days, bulldozers are leveling the villages of Sindhi people in Karachi to build another Bahria town. The communities are helplessly crying, sitting at the fringes and watching the destruction of shelters of themselves for their children for decades. No one dares to stop this illegal, immoral, cruel, atrocious devastation. Bahria town continued to do wholesale illegal occupation of lands of Sindh. Supreme Court found acquisition of over 22,000 acres of land in Karachi illegal. However, making a mockery of judicial system, the court provided the commutation of Bahria Corporation with a fine of 460 billion rupees. However, none of these acquired funds made its way to originally displaced people. The act of the court legalized an illegal, immoral colonization and provided an official license to forcibly evacuate additional hundreds of years old settled communities. Destruction of villages, intimidation and humiliation of inhabitants and destruction of ecosystem around Karachi. There are hundreds of similar schemes such as DHA, Bahria, Fizaiya and hundreds more with complete disregard of the people who are historical owners of these lands and in the process are changing the demography of Sindh. All as if this was not enough, they are now on the path to completely colonize Sindh and Balochistan. The federal government has declared its plan to seize hundreds of thousands of acres of coastal land of Balochistan and Sindh and dozens of islands of Sindh, starting with Dhengi and Bandar in the name of instituting an unconstitutional coastal development authority. These land grabbing policies are nothing but part of malicious design to convert Sindhis and Balochs into a minority in their motherland. In these unprecedentedly dark times, we Sindhi stay together in solidarity with our Baloch brothers, to strive the morning of hope, happiness, dignity, emancipation and peace for our people. Long live Balochistan, long live Sindh.
ਵਾਲੇ ਇਹ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਦਾ ਲਹੂ ਚੂਸਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੇਰਹਿਮ ਵਡੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਇਹ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਦਾ ਲਹੂ ਚੂਸਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੇਰਹਿਮ ਵਡੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਹ ਵੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਔਖਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਬਸੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਹ ਵੀ ਲੈਣਾ ਔਖਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਬਸੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ ਖਾ ਜਾਣ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ ਖਾ ਜਾਣ, ਐਸੇ ਸੱਪ ਸਪੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ।
ਸਭ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ
ਜਦ ਦਿਨ ਹੋਣ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਵਰਗੇ, ਜਦ ਦਿਨ ਹੋਣ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਵਰਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਹਨੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਕਬ ਲਗਾਵਣ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਕਬ ਲਗਾਵਣ, ਉਹ ਚੌਕੀਦਾਰ ਲੁਟੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ।
ਚੌਕੀਦਾਰ ਲੁਟੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਅੰਨੇ ਹੋਵਣ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਅੰਨੇ ਹੋਵਣ, ਉੱਥੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੋਚ ਤੇ ਅਕਲ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਰੇ ਲਾਵਣ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੋਚ ਔਰ ਅਕਲ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਰੇ ਲਾਵਣ, ਐਸੇ ਮਨਸਬ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਇਹ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਦਾ ਲਹੂ ਚੂਸਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੇਰਹਿਮ ਵਡੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ।
वधीक चयो त सिंध ऐं बलोचिस्तान में जबरी गुमशुदियुनि वारो सिलसिलो बंदि करे फौरी तौर ते सभिनी खंबे गुम कयलनि खे आज़ादु कयो वञे। सर्वेश हैदरोढो, वॉइस ऑफ सिंध टीवी न्यूज़ लंडन।
Stop enforced disappearance in.
Sindh and Balochistan.
Stop enforced disappearance in.
Sindh and Balochistan.
Stop enforced disappearance in.
Sindh and